make sure it's dry. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Luke, I'm the pizza pilot. Today we're going to be overindulging with the ultimate chocolate dessert pizza. So basically what we're going to be doing is making a pizza with a custard base and just loading it up with tons of chocolatey goodness. I've picked out some ingredients. You can go do whatever you want with this. It can be completely flexible. You can put your favourite chocolate bar on it, your favourite spread, anything goes. It's all about just overindulging. First up, get yourself a dough ball. Been proving about 22 hours now. If you're not comfortable with making dough yourself, then there's plenty of recipes on Gozney.com. So yeah, this dough ball's about 240 grams. Open it up like you normally would. So I'll press it out with my fingertips here. If you get any air pockets, just pop those. Getting all the air in the edges. I like to just stretch and turn, stretch and turn. Otherwise, you can just put it on the back of your knuckles and just stretch it out like this. You can even just, like a steering wheel, just to work your way around until it's nice and stretched. Got our base nice and stretched open now, so grab yourself about 100 mils of custard, get a spoon, and just as if you're making any savoury pizza, just pop that on there. Nice blob in the centre. Don't need to be shy with this, just load it all up, spread it with the back of your spoon. I like to go about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the rim, and this should allow the crust to puff up nicely still. And that's literally it. So we're going to bake that now for about 1 minute until it's nice and coloured, and then we're going to top the rest of it once that's been baked. Always make sure you've got a nice dry peel. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on it just to make sure it's nice and dry. Just pinch that and just drag it across onto your peel and then make it nice and round once it's on there. And we're ready to go. So Roccbox is showing it's about 420 at the moment. I've just turned it on to full power. I'm just going to launch it in. So once that's in, going to just be looking at the far end just for a bit of colour. You'll see it's starting to puff up. I like to just warm the peels slightly. It just makes it a little bit easier to get underneath the dough without causing any trouble. And the second you start seeing some colour on the far end, we're going to just start putting the turning peel underneath and turning it around. So I always keep an eye on just the base. And once that's looking nice and coloured, just start turning it. You can lift it off slightly up into the flame and we're good. Now you just go nuts, do whatever you want, but always start with nice bit of melted runny spread. Load that on, nice big drizzles. Don't be shy with that at all. And then always really helps to get something with a bit of crunch on. So to get some triple chocolate chip cookies and just liberally crunch some nice big chunks all over. Don't worry if you get crumbs everywhere, it's all part of it. Then we're going to put on some little chunks of brownie. Again, just scatter that all over the place. We've got some Cadbury flake here. You can put whatever you want on here. Favourite chocolate bar. Just load it up and absolutely go to town on it. Drizzle of chocolate sauce. And why not, if you're feeling really, really adventurous and naughty, chuck on a few little bit of fudge chunks. And we've got some honeycomb here as well. And just to finish it off, I'm gonna go with a big hit of white chocolate, and that should be illegal. So there we go, that's my take on the ultimate chocolate dessert pizza. As I said, you can do anything you want here. You can put your own chocolate bars on, you can do different types of chocolate. There's no rules, just load it up. As long as you've got your custard base, drizzle of chocolate sauce, finish it off with as much chocolate as you can fit on. Can't go too far wrong. This is also absolutely awesome with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. Have a little bit of ice cream. Oh, look at that bad boy. That is amazing. So there we go, the ultimate chocolate dessert pizza. For the recipe for this one, any others, head over to Gozney.com.